If you sell health or beauty products on Amazon and your ads are draining your budget without even results, so this video is for you, and I'll walk you through that how to look at tacos the right way, how to choose your keywords for PPC campaigns, and why A plus content is critical in this category. Let's help your ads become more profitable, not just expensive. My name is Tahir Mahmood and I am an Amazon Brands Manager at Upscale Valley, a full service Amazon agency, and in this video we'll discuss that how you can make your ads more efficient for your health and beauty products, and what are the best converting match types for this category, and how you can leverage A plus content to maximize your sales. So let's understand the tacos for health and beauty category. Tacos stands for the total advertising cost of sale, and it shows how much of your total revenue is being spent on ads. But here's the problem: most sellers in beauty or health category only measures the tacos on the first sale. In these categories, that gives you the wrong picture. These are the repeat use products. If someone likes your product once, they will likely to buy it again, and sometimes multiple times, and often they don't search again, they just reorder from the order history. So that means your real profit is not just on the first sale, it's across all the repeat purchases. Here's an example of this. Let's say you make a 40% profit on $25 product, and if your one customer buys it twice, you have made $20 in the net profit in total. And even if you spend $10 on the ads to get the first sale, you still made a good profit out of it over time. So the takeaway here is, if your product is something people use regularly like skincare, vitamins, or hair care, then your first sale tacos might look high, but your long-term profitability is strong. So that's what actually matters. The second important thing is choosing the right keyword match types for your PPC campaigns. Let's now discuss about the keyword match types and campaign structure. A common mistake is using only exact match keywords in your ad campaigns. Yes, the exact match gives you the more control over data, but it's expensive. Why? Because every seller is doing it, especially in health and beauty category. So this raises the cost per click. So here's what works better: use the combination of exact match and broad match, but in separate campaigns. Exact match targets very specific phrases. You can use it to focus on the highly converting and best relevant keywords. Broad match lets Amazon explore similar terms. It can discover new low cost keywords you may have missed. Separate your match types into different campaigns. This helps you track which keywords are working and which are not, control budgets more efficiently, and optimize faster. So here's a pro tip: use search term report regularly to check which broad keywords are converting well, and if you find a winning keyword, you can move it into an exact match campaign with its own budget and bids. And the third important thing is in this category is A plus content. A plus content is not optional in beauty category, it's mandatory. In the health and beauty space, a product presentation is everything. Customers care deeply about how a product looks, feels, and what it promises. So that's where A plus content comes in. It helps you show lifestyle images, explain product benefits clearly, build trust with visuals, and share your brand story as well. So Amazon also lets you add alt text to A plus images, which can help your SEO as well. Even basic A plus content is better than nothing. Use clean layouts, clear visuals, and simple explanations. You don't need complex designs, just be professional, easy to read content that builds confidence. If your listing feels incomplete, people will scroll past even if your ads brought them in. Let's just quickly summarize this. Tacos in beauty and health products should be measured long term, and don't judge ad performance just by the first sale. Consider how many times a customer will buy your product. Use exact and broad match keywords, but keep them in separate campaigns. This helps you control ad spend and improve results. And A plus content matters a lot. It builds trust, improves conversions, and strengthens your listings. If you apply these strategies, your ads won't just get clicks, they'll get results, and you'll reduce wasted ad spend, improve rankings, and grow your brand consistently. We have discussed that how you can look at the tacos and how you can measure the tacos over time, and what are the best converting match types in this category, and how you can leverage the A plus content to maximize your conversions and sales. If you still have any questions regarding the tacos, the match types, or A plus content, drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you.